So, I am in my pyjamas right now. I am very, very tired, so let's just get on with the video. I think we need a change of clothes. Done. Right, so now we can get on with the actual purpose of this video, seeing as I'm in much better clothes now. The Xbox One S review. This came out in after the original fat Xbox One and had a much better look to it. The one I have here is white and white controller, so yeah, it's fairly basic. So after a t-shirt swap around because it was the wrong way and a hairdo up, let's get started again with the Xbox One X review. Now, well, no, it's not going to be as powerful as the PS4 Pro or even the Xbox One X, which we'll get into in a minute. But yeah, if you want to go for 4K gaming, say, the Xbox One S is definitely not for you because it will be an upscale version, which I will get into in a minute. Now, it does support Blu-ray. That's going to be an Ultra HD with HDR10 support. It's going to be an upscale version rather than an actual version of 4K like you'd get on the Xbox One X. Around back, it's pretty simple. We have a HDMI out to TV, a HDMI in for satellite and cable, which I'll not get into because I don't know what that does. Two USB 3.0 ports, an IR out, and I don't know what that does. What does that do? That's probably like for optical audio or something. And then an Ethernet jack. Oh look, it even has a Kensington lock. Oh. For storage, it's going to come with 500GB, 1TB, and a special edition 2TB. I don't know what that's about. For processing speeds, we have a custom 1.75 GHz AMD processor, which is an 8-core APU, so a 2-quad-core Jaguar, 8GB of DDR3, which is only 5GB available to games. Yeah, it's definitely not going to be the most powerful console in the world, like the Xbox One X, which has 12GB of RAM and clocked at a higher gigahertz, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit of hit or miss. For the internet connection, we have an IEEE 802.11n. Yeah, not AC on a console that came from 2016. But we do have an Ethernet port if that's available for you. For this, we're going to be playing Fallout 4 1080p, hopefully. Oh, this is such a great game. So with Fallout 4, you are getting that the use of the 8GB of RAM, which is I've only sad to find that there is only 5GB available for games. This is by Bethesda Game Studios, and they actually managed to produce a good game here. A lot of people think the story is a bit naff though. Right, with zoom turned off and maximum quality on my phone, let's begin. And the battery's just died. This is looking to be one hell of a mess of the video. So, after plugging my thing in, let's get started. Let's get into this. Let's just skip the intro. And actually get it round closer. Right, so as we can see here, it looks more detailed on my phone screen. The hair's not too textured, and the sharpness is a bit too thingy, but that's just subject to my settings. So let's just click done and find character. And the level of detail, say, with the bulbs and everything here. And I mean, like, just closeness up. I mean, the sharpness, yeah, walking around. You can judge on screen for yourselves.
Good morning, sir.
Shut up. Right, next game. After having some storage issues, I'm going to share my personal opinion. I own the Xbox One S, so I cannot say it is a too bad a console, but after reading the gigahertz speeds, a £200 laptop, that a budget laptop, has a higher clocked gigahertz than a full console. Now, this was released as like a slim version, sort of with all sorts of these things. You had the Xbox 360 and the Xbox 360 Slim. I didn't know about the original Fat Xbox, but I don't think there was ever a remake, quote unquote. So yeah, that is the review for the Xbox One S. If I missed anything out, leave a comment down below and I will edit the video and add some more interesting points. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.